In today's digital age, having the right skills can open up a world of opportunities. With the internet, you can learn anything from the comfort of your own home. Today, we're going to explore the top 10 skills that are highly sought after and can be learned entirely online. Let's dive into the skills that can boost your career and personal growth. Skill 1. Coding. Learning to code is one of the most in-demand skills in today's job market. With languages like Python, JavaScript, and HTML, you can build websites, create apps, and even analyze data. There are countless free resources available online to help you get started. Coding is a valuable skill that can open doors to a wide range of careers. Skill 2. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is the art of promoting products or services online. With skills in SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing, you can help businesses reach their target audience. Many online courses and certifications can teach you the fundamentals of digital marketing. This skill is essential for anyone looking to build a career in marketing or entrepreneurship. Skill 3. Data analysis. Data is the new oil, and being able to analyze it is a highly sought-after skill. With tools like Python, R, and SQL, you can extract insights from large datasets. Data analysts are in high demand in fields such as business, healthcare, and science. Learning data analysis can help you make informed decisions and solve complex problems. Skill 4. Graphic design. Graphic design is the art of communicating visually. With software like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, you can create stunning visuals for websites, social media, and print materials. Graphic design is a versatile skill that can be applied to a wide range of industries. Whether you want to become a freelance designer or work in-house at a company, graphic design is a valuable skill to have. Skill 5. Project management. Project management is the process of planning, organizing, and managing resources to achieve specific goals. Whether you're working on a personal project or leading a team, project management skills are essential. There are numerous online courses and certifications that can teach you the principles of project management. This skill is highly valued in many industries, from technology to healthcare. Skill 6. Content writing. Content writing is the skill of creating engaging and informative content for websites, blogs, and social media. Good writing skills are essential for success in many fields. There are countless online resources available to help you improve your writing skills. Content writing can be a great way to start a freelance career or to supplement your income. Skill 7. Video editing. With the rise of video content, video editing has become a highly sought-after skill. Software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro can help you create professional-looking videos. Video editing skills are in high demand in fields such as marketing, filmmaking, and education. Learning video editing can help you create engaging content for your own personal brand or for clients. Skill 8. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is the process of using social media platforms to promote products or services. With billions of people using social media, it's a powerful tool for reaching your target audience. There are many free and paid courses available to learn social media marketing. This skill is essential for anyone looking to build a personal brand or promote a business. Skill 9. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems and networks from digital attacks. As our reliance on technology grows, the demand for cybersecurity professionals is also increasing. There are many online certifications available to help you learn about cybersecurity. This skill is essential for protecting sensitive data and preventing cyber attacks. Skill 10. Financial literacy. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and use financial information. This includes budgeting, investing, and managing debt. There are many online resources available to help you improve your financial literacy. Being financially literate can help you make better decisions about your money and achieve your financial goals. Conclusion. The internet has made it easier than ever to learn new skills and advance your career. By investing in your education and developing in-demand skills, you can increase your earning potential and open up new opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning today.